PC?
No, we're building the 10900K. We got the 10900K, bro. The 10900K.
Put it in.
Get the 10900K.
Put it in. Get the where the RAM? Where the RAM at? Get the RAM in.
Yo,
We got the 32
get the
gigabytes.
48 gigs of RAM.
Hold up, get the RAM in there. It's hard to get in with the battery.
Terabyte hard drive.
How many is on that hard drive?
Terabyte SSD.
Oh yeah, terabyte. Where did the hard drive go though?
I don't know.
I think it go in there.
In the compact flash.
Yeah, it goes in there.
Yeah, it goes right now.
No, like where does this hard drive go?
Bro, I don't know.
We don't need a hard drive. We'll even see if it turns on.
Oh, that goes to YouTube.